that all of you are doing great. Well, right now let's discuss the Plumber Snapshot. And basically, this has all the websites that you need, all the funnels that you need, and all the automations that you would need. Let us just try to look into it. First of all, the websites, let me just open it. And let me just tell you, you can get it completely free. And not just this Plumber's website snapshot. You're going to get 127 snapshots with us. And okay, let me just, how do you get that snapshot? I'm going to tell. Let me just quickly show you first. So these are the websites, like for the plumbers, as you can see, this one, City Plumber, Plumber template, this, the third website, fourth website, fifth website, sixth website. So what do you have to do with this? Like you can literally have the entire website with you. Uh, you just have to go and edit the logo, right? Or edit some of the text based on the client. Let's say you have onboarded the plumber one as your first client, and all you have to do is just go and edit the logo, go and edit like some of the text, and the website is ready for your respective client. Now let us just try to see one of the website. Like as you can see, this is the four pages website, the 6 pages website, 3 pages website. Let's try to see the 4th page website. So this is a home, about, services, contact. So let us just try to open the home page. City Plumber, as you can see. So all you have to do is just edit the logo over here and the name over here, homes, about, services, contact, and then book an appointment and stuff. So this is just a plain website. And this is like the first time our plumbing services, right? So all the plumbing services, like you want to edit some of the details, you can do that editing. You want to do some other things, you can do that. Now, the next thing is the emergency services, commercial plumbing, residential plumbing, happy customers. So testimonial is of course necessary. So you just replace your own testimonial, your customers' testimonials, and the job will be done. The next thing that you know of is like you have the about page, then the services page, and then the contacts page, and basically, the contacts page. So having said all of that, like you have the funnels, websites, even uh, I can open the other websites as well, but it's pretty amazing. Like each one of them are like pretty good, and you can just change the website as the way that you wish. That would, just edit the details of the website the way that you wish. So it's pretty nice, all these things, and even the funnels. So now let us just open the automation part. For the automation is basically the way it works, right? How the entire sequence. Let's say somebody just fills a form, somebody just books an appointment. How it is going to do that, build it. We'll have to check on that. What sort of sequence of actions are going to take place. So let me just quickly show you. Now, before further moving, yes, I just forgot to tell you, like, how do you get this snapshot and the 127 snapshot that we just told you about? All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. I'll pop it up onto the screen, and there you can just sign up for the 30-day free trial using our link, or you upgrade to the $297 plan, or upgrade to the $497 plan. And yeah, that's it. Like upgrade to either you upgrade to 297 or 497, or you just just right away just sign up for the 30-day free trial. And after that, using our link, of course, and just email to us, and we are going to send you the entire snapshot sets. And I'm pretty sure that you would love it. And not just that, it will be like one-to-one personal private support that I'm going to give to you, which is something like I'll be helping you to basically set up everything, not just set up, like even if you want the website to be built, our expert is going to build, and we'll form a personal WhatsApp support group, basically. So that WhatsApp support group is like me, my expert, and you. And personally, you will have access to us at any time that you want. And the next thing that you have the entire setup, and even the website that you want, or the funnel that you want customized to your need. All we are asking is just sign up for the 30-day free trial using our link, or upgrade to 297 or $497 plan. Now let's say one more thing before I just move on to quickly showing you this automation page. uh, a lot of people might be asking about, like, how do I actually get the one-to-one support and the snapshot. Like, let's say you don't want to upgrade or you have already signed up, then I'm pretty sure this thing, at least anybody can do it. And that will also ensure that we give you the entire snapshot set, 127 snapshot set. All you have to do is just quickly, like I'll just quickly show it to you. Just go to the agency settings. Let me just quickly open it again. I guess we just, let me just reconnect my internet. Just to tell you, like, you have to go to the agency settings and then click on uh, AI employee and then click on manage offers. And the next thing is click on, uh, I mean, within manage offers, you have to enter AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. Let us try to see if we are back online. Yes, we are. So here is the agency, and just go to the settings and click on AI employee. Click on manage offers. And here within the FP reference, just put AIBONUSES and click on apply referral code. That's it. Like the moment that you click on apply referral code, we are going to ensure, just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzaid.com and we will ensure that that we send you the entire bonus set, you know, the entire 127 snapshots. That would be pretty cool. So all said and done, let us just reopen the plumber snapshot and walk you through the automation part that as we just discussed. So here's the automation. So you have the workflow, SAAS, books inbound, plumber's appointment two, this one. So this one is basically hooks. Like basically, let's say you're about to get the Instagram DMs or you're about to get. So this one is like the chat widget. You get the DMs from the chat widget. You get the DMs from the FB Messenger, from the Google My Business, from Instagram DM, missed call text back, tap to text, right? So either of the places you can actually get your message, and that's it. Like it will eventually follow the. I mean, let me just quickly show you as well the sequence that it is going to follow. So let us just try to see. Okay, through the, let's say, Instagram DM, you get a DM through the Instagram. And you have customer reply channel and tags, and create opportunity, set tags, read the open message, describe the workflow. I mean, if you do not know, like Gohighlevel have this describe the workflow thing. If you click onto it, and you will be able to see through the entire sequence. So this is the trigger. It begins when somebody replies to your Instagram. The contact is tagged with Instagram to indicate the channel of communication. Wait and check phone number. And the next thing is identify leads and create opportunity. Wait the interaction, response, waiting. The system waits for 31 minutes to see if the contact responds. And follow if there is no response. A series of follow-up message SMS messages is sent. A follow-up message is sent the next business day at 10:30, and then weekend handling, business hours check throughout this process, conditions check if messages are being sent during the business hour, do not disturb. So you can see like so many things are out there, and literally you can, I mean, this is what it requires. Like, of course, anybody who understands the workflow would have got it. But if even if you're it is tough for you to understand, it doesn't matter. It will do the job. You don't need to understand everything, and slowly you will get the understanding. But this is just one of the workflow. And similarly, like the appointment. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do xyz things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.